Hello, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're doing another unboxing, and this time, once again, it's for Conquest. This time it's for the 100 Kingdoms. This is the Steel Legion. Right, here we are with the 100 Kingdoms Steel Legion. Let's have a look at what we have inside. Let's just slice open the box. There we are. And this box contains 12 Steel Legion with 3 infantry stands and a command card. So, let's have a look. Oomph. Okay, so we've got the stands and the bases. The bases, or the minis, get glued to the bases, and then the bases slot into the stands when you're playing Last Argument of Kings, rather than the skirmish game, which for the life of me I cannot remember what it's called. I think it's First Blood or something like that. Anyway, first off, let's have a look at the cards. Okay, let's just alter this for a second. Okay, so that's the card, Steel Legion. There we are. As you can see, there is a QR code on this. That's because there is an app that goes with this game, and it gives you all the information. It's like an army builder as well, so that is what that's for. You can just put your phone over the top of that and get all the information you need in regards to the minis. And then we have sprues. Okay, so looking at this, we have a lot of very highly detailed minis here. Look at that sword. Double-handed, so look at that one and that one. That is awesome. This is going to be fun. I think I should be mostly getting the airbrush out and giving these a very good airbrushing. Try and do as good a job as I can on these minis. Lovely. And this, I think, is the sprue for converting one of these characters, or one of these minis, into the leader character. It's not leader, command character. With one option of making 2 command models. So it's 2 command models that you can make with this. So I'm assuming one, what's the word I'm looking for? One holding the banner and that, and the other pointing and holding the big sword over his shoulder. There. And next we have this sprue, and once again a lot of detailed minis. As you can see, everything seems to be separate, so they seem to be posable quite a bit. Now you'd have to watch what you're doing with them, I suppose, for lining them up in the infantry stands, but if you can do that, then there shouldn't be a problem with a little bit of independent posing. I like this a lot, but that's what you get in this box. Oh, just noticed that. That's nice. A little engraved symbol on the shoulder pauldron there. Very nice indeed. Yeah, so we have a very quick video on the Steel Legion. There we go. So that is all that is in there. Oh, and at the side of the box it does say you can scan that QR code to go to the Parabellum websites for assembly instructions. The QR code takes you straight there, or you can just go to the site and do a normal search. All the instructions are on the website for making these, but apart from the odd one or two, I don't think that there will be many that would be too difficult to put together. The Abomination, I have heard, is a bit of an abomination to put together, but we'll try and work on it. Anyway, that's it for Conquest, the Last Argument of Kings, the 100 Kingdoms Steel Legion. This is one of the free expansion sets that I got with the 2-play starter set. Unfortunately, that offer's finished now, where you go get the starter set and 2 expansion sets. But I chose this one, and I chose the whatchamacallums, Aspire's marksman clones, and these will give me sort of like a good base to start with. But there we are. I like these. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.